Hello. Chethan, you there? Chethan?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you can start now. So first introduce yourself and your topic, and then you can start the problems. First, share your screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh.
Ma'am, is screen shared, ma'am?
No, no.
No, ma'am.
Share the screen.
Ma'am, screen share,
Ah,
ma'am.
yes, visible.
And can I start, ma'am? Hello, ma'am.
Ah, yes, Chethan.
Ma'am, can I start, ma'am?
Yes, you can start now.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon.
Chethan, you can start explanation now.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, ಅವಾಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಹೌದಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೆ, ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿನ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆಗಲೇ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
One minute. So since we can find the solution by implicating the chart, here males are denoted by positive sign and females are denoted by negative sign. Since husband and wife, that is both A and E has three children, here B and D are boy, so therefore B is the brother of D, and because there is only C is the daughter, so B and D are related as brothers, so B will be the brother of D. So next comes the second question. Pointing to a photographer of a boy, Suresh said, he is the son of the only son of my mother. How is Suresh related to that boy? So here Suresh is pointing towards photograph and he's saying that the boy who is in the photograph is the son of the Suresh. that is Suresh is the father of that boy. So the boy who is in the photograph is the son of Suresh's mother. That is, he is the son of Suresh. So as how Suresh is related to that boy means he is the father of that boy. So the option is D, that is father. So moving on to the third question, that is if A plus B means A is the brother of B, A minus B means A is the sister of B, and A into B means A is the father of B. Which of the following means that C is the son of M? So here are some options. We need to find the correct sequence for their. So checking out in every options. First we will check out in option A, M minus N into C plus F. So M minus N means M is the sister of N. N multiplies C means N is the father of C. So here they had said that C is the son of M. That is vice versa. That is M is the father of C. So the given sequence is wrong in option A. So option A is not correct answer. Moving on to the option B, F minus C plus N into M. So F minus C means F is the sister of C. C plus N means C is the brother of N. And N multiply M means N is the father of M. So obviously this sequence is also wrong. So moving on to the third option, that is N plus M minus F into C. So N plus M means N is the brother of M, and M minus F means M is the sister of F. F multiply C means F is the father of C, and this sequence is also wrong because F cannot be the father of C because M is the father of C. So option C is also wrong. And finally left out is D option. So here we will see that if M multiply N means M is the father of N, and N minus C means N is the sister of C. C plus F means C is the brother of F. So obviously option D sequence matches because M is the father of C as C is the son of M. So moving on to the fourth question, which of the following shows that the relation, which of the following shows the relation that C is the granddaughter of E? So before going to these options, the question is based on the following information as you see in this note. That is M mod N means M is the son of N, and M at N means M is the sister of N. M dollar N means M is the father of N. So there are given some sequences. We need to match by taking this information. So here option C is correct. That is C at B mod F mod E. C at B means C is the sister of B. B mod F means B is the son of F. If here C is the sister of B and B is the son of F, obviously C and F has some relation. That is C will be the daughter of F. And F mod E means F is the son of E. If C is the daughter of F, then F is the son of E. C will be the granddaughter of E. Therefore, hence C will be the granddaughter of E. So option C that is the correct answer because this sequence matches. That is C at B mod F mod E. So these are the related problems on blood relation. So next, moving on to the data sufficiency problems. So in each of the questions below consist of a question and two statements. Numbered as one and number two, that is numbered statement one and statement two given below. We have to decide whether the data provided in this statement are sufficient to answer this question. So read both the statements and give answer. Therefore, the answer can be given in five ways. As you see here, A, B, C, D, among them one. Though there are five ways to answer this question. So in option A, if data in statement 1 alone is sufficient to answer the question, while in data in statement 2 alone, which is not sufficient to answer the question. Whereas in option B, if data in statement 2 is alone sufficient to answer the question, whereas in data in statement 1 alone is not sufficient to answer the question. In option C, hello ma'am. Hello ma'am. So option D says if data given in both statement 1 and statement 2 together, which is not sufficient to answer the question. So in option E, you can say if data in both statements 1 and 2 together are necessary to answer the question. So moving on to the, so these are the five options you can predict and answer for the given particular statement and given the data sufficiency. So here is the first problem. In which year was Rahul born? The given statements are: statement 1 says Rahul at present is 25 years younger to his mother. Statement 2 says Rahul's brother, who was born in 1964, is 35 years younger to his mother. So here it says that from both first statement and second statement, we can find that Rahul is 10 years older than his brother by subtracting his brother's age from his present age. That is Rahul's brother age and Rahul's present age, that is 35 minus 25, 10. So they had given that Rahul's brother was born on 1964. If he is 10 years older than him, then he will be born on 1954. So the statements both 1 and 2 are sufficient to answer the question. So option E is the correct answer. Both 1 and 2 are sufficient. So moving on to the second problem, that is, how many children does M have? The statements given here are: the statement 1 says that if H is the only daughter of X who is the wife of M. Statement 2 says K and G are the brothers of M. Here the M is a husband and X is a wife. They has a daughter called H. So here by the statements, one says from first statement we can conclude that H is the only daughter of M, but this does not indicate that they don't have a son. So the given second statement has an information immaterial, that is improper. Therefore, the option D is correct, which is that is neither 1 nor 2 is sufficient. That is neither first statement nor second statement is sufficient. So moving on to the third problem, that is, on which date of the month was Anjali born in February 2004? The given statements are: statement 1 says that Anjali was born on an even date of the month. Second statement says that Anjali's, from statement 1 and 2, we can say that Anjali was born on a date which is an even prime number. So the even prime number will be obviously 2, because that's the only even prime number. Therefore, we can conclude from the statement 1 and 2 that she was born, well, that is was born on 2nd February 2004. So first and second statement are sufficient to answer this question. Therefore, option E, that is both first and second statements. So moving on to the fourth question, what is the shortest distance between Devipur and Durgapur? So the given statements are: statement 1, Durgapur is 20 kilometers away from Rampur. Second statement says Devipur is 15 kilometers away from Rampur. So at the first statement, from Rampur 20 kilometers away, Durgapur is 20 kilometers away. In the second statement, from Rampur, Devipur is 15 kilometers away. So by the statement 1 and 2, we can say that the distances of each village from Rampur has been mentioned clearly, but they hadn't mentioned the relative position, where it is, like it is in north, south, west, east. They hadn't mentioned their relative positions. So the distance between two villages is they cannot be calculated. Therefore, option D, that is neither one's first statement nor second statement, is sufficient to answer. So these are the problems related to data sufficiency. Thank you. Hello, ma'am.
Hello. ಆಯ್ತಾ ಚೇತನ್?
Ma'am.
Hello.
Huh, ma'am.
Chetan, finished? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Finished, ma'am.
Okay. Sorry.
Hello, ma'am.
Actually, I was.
Finished, ma'am.
Okay. 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 Next, who is going to explain now? Shifa.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನನ್ನ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅವನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು.
It's okay. Some different problems will be there. No, you have taken some different problems. No. Same topic will be the same. Many problems will be there on the same topic. No. ನೀವು ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಸೇಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ನಾನು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅದು.
How it's possible? All problems are similar, same problems with same data.
Only fourth problem different, ma'am.
Okay, you just explain
Remaining
the same
problems.
Okay, you explain that problem. Okay,
fourth problem,
later,
ma'am.
The fourth problem is different. No, you told fourth problem is different.
Yes, ma'am.
You explain that.
Ma'am, PDF.
Okay. You can start now. You can share the screen.
Ma'am, I'm not having laptop, ma'am.
Okay, I am in meeting. I cannot share here because my system is there in the staff room. I am in HOD's chamber. Okay, who is going to explain now? Shifa last ಆಮೇಲೆ explain ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಇದ್ದೀರಾ explain ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, who is that?
Dravya, ma'am.
Dravya. Yes, Dravya. Share.
Yes, ma'am, I will share.
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, is it visible?
Yes, yes.
Shall I start, ma'am? Ma'am,
Yes.
shall I start, ma'am?
Yes, Dravya. Yes, Dravya, your screen is visible. You can continue now. And
Okay,
first,
ma'am.
I'm not giving response correctly because I am in meeting.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah, please continue. I'll be watching your video, your explanation and all.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Dravya, from 3rd SEM IAC. Here we are going to discuss about some problems on blood relation. Any relation in the world which either by birth or by marriage is called blood relation. For example, any relation by birth will be mother, father, son, daughter, etc. And any relation by marriage will be father-in-law, mother-in-law, etc. Then is this blood problems on blood relation needed? Yes, of course. These are completely based on mental ability. Then what is meant by blood relation? Someone who has the same parents or ancestors as another. They are called as blood relative. Then coming to the problems. First one. Pointing to a photograph of a boy, Suresh said, "He is the son of the only son of my mother." How is Suresh related to that boy? Options: A. Brother, B. Uncle, C. Cousin, D. Father. Here Suresh saying the boy in photograph is son of the only son of my mother. Only son of Suresh mother is Suresh himself and boy playing is his son. So Suresh is related to that boy as father. Second one, here if A is the brother of B, B is sister of C, and C is the father of D, how D is related to A? Options: A brother, B sister, C nephew, D cannot be determined. A is the brother of B. This indicates A is male. B is sister of C. This indicates B is female. And C is father of D. Means C is male. Here A, B, C are brothers and sister, where A and C are brothers and B is sister. D is the daughter or son of C. Now the question is how D is related to A. If D is female, answer is niece. If D is male, the answer is nephew. In this question, there is no particular gender mentioned. So the answer cannot be determined. Option D is correct. Third one, Deepak said to Nitin, that boy playing with the football is the younger of the two brothers of the daughter of my father's wife. How is the boy playing football related to Deepak? Options: A. Son, B. Brother, C. Cousin, D. Brother-in-law. Deepak referring his mother by saying my father's wife. The daughter of his mother has two brothers. The boy playing with the football is younger brother of his sister. It means Deepak is also one of the brother of sister. So even the boy playing football is also brother of Deepak. So the answer is brother. Option B is right. Pointing to a woman, Abhijit said, her granddaughter is the only daughter of my brother. How is the woman related to Abhijit? Options: A. Sister, B. Grandmother, C. Mother-in-law, D. Mother. Abhijit is saying the woman's granddaughter and his brother's only daughter. Both are same. It means that woman is mother of his brother and even the woman is mother of Abhijit also. So the relation is mother. So the problems are completed. Thank you.
One second, one second.
Hello, ma'am.
One second, Dravya. One second.
Okay.
Hello. Hello.
Ma'am.
Yes, Dravya, you have completed, no? Next, who is going to share the screen? Akash and who is that? Anush Patange is there now? Akash and Anush.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. I have to share the screen, no? Your the script which is
Yes,
prepared by
ma'am.
you people. 1 second, I'll share the screen. Sir. Sir, Akash.
Yes, ma'am.
I have shared the screen now. It is visible.
Okay. I'll start now.
Yeah, please.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Akash YS from 5th SEM IC. We are going to discuss some problems on blood relation today. So here the first question is, if A is brother of B and B is sister of C and C is father of D, how D is related to A? First we have to understand that, ma'am, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್. Here, see, A is brother of B and B is sister of C. So that A and C are also brothers. Here they have asked that how D is related to A. Then D becomes a nephew or niece for A, as D is son or daughter for C. Here the gender of D is not mentioned properly, so that we have to go for the fourth option, that is cannot be determined. Next question, ma'am. Ma'am, next question, ma'am. Second one. Okay. Introducing a boy, girl said, he is the son of the daughter of the father of my uncle. Here she is telling that the father of boy's uncle is X and the father of the daughter of that father is also X. Therefore, then that the uncle of that girl is brother of her mother, so that the girl that is pointing for a boy is her brother. So we have to go for option A. That is her brother. Next question.
Hello.
Hmm.
Other students are following, no? Explanation. Akash is explaining problems on blood relation.
Yes, ma'am.
See here, I am not able to concentrate here because I am in meeting. So other students are following, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Reply. Other students except fifth ISC girls. Fifth ISC.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
You're following. ಓಕೆ ನಾನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಗಮನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ನಾನು ಆಕಾಶ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಎಸ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಎಸ್ ಆಕಾಶ್.
Yes, ma'am. So the next question is, Arun said, this girl is the wife of grandson of my mother. Here, the girl is wife of the grandson of his grandmother. So that the grandson is Arun's mother. So that she is the wife of Arun's son. So he becomes the father-in-law of that girl. So we have to go for the option D, that is father-in-law. Next question. So the next question is, pointing towards a man, a woman said, his mother is the only daughter of my mother. How is the woman related to man? So she is telling that only daughter of my mother, that she is referring to herself only. So that the person she is pointing becomes the son of that woman. So here we have to go for the option A, that is mother. So here we conclude this topic. Thank you.
Okay. So Anush is there in the meeting, no? Anush Patange.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, I'll share the screen.
Okay.
ಸರ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ HOD ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಇದು HODನೇ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸರ್ ಅದು ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಸರ್. Yes, I'm sharing the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
It is visible, no? ಯಾವುದು ಶೇರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Just 1 second. Problems on blood relation. So this is the script prepared
ma'am.
by Anush, no? Yes,
Yes,
Anush.
ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Anush from 5th Sem ISC. Today, we are going to discuss some problems on blood relation topic. Problems on blood relation. First one, pointing to the ma'am.
ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ. ಲಿಂಕ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ HOD ಸರ್ಗೆ? ನೀವು ಮರ್ತ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಾನು ಹೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ದಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು.
ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಇನ್ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ನನ್ಗೂ ಮರ್ತೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಇವತ್ತು. ಇನ್ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿರ್ತಿದ್ರು ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, Yes, Anush. Sorry for the interruption.
Okay, first one. Pointing to the person, Deepak said, his only brother is the father of my daughter's father. How is the person related to Deepak? Option A, father, B, grandfather, C, uncle, D, brother-in-law. So here, father of Deepak's daughter's father is Deepak's father. Hence, the brother of Deepak's father is the person. Therefore, the person is the uncle of Deepak. And next question, ma'am. Second one. Pointing to Gopi, Nalini says, I am the daughter of the only son of his grandfather. How is Nalini related to Gopi? Options A, niece, B, daughter, C, sister, D, cannot be determined. So here, Nalini is the granddaughter of the only son of Gopi's grandfather. Hence, Nalini is the sister of Gopi. And next question, ma'am. Third one. A's son B is married with C, whose sister D is married to E, the brother of B. How D is related to A? Options A, sister, B, daughter-in-law, C, sister-in-law, D, cousin. Since F is since E is the brother of B, A is the father of E. Ma'am, scroll, ma'am. Since E is the since E is the brother of B and A is the father of E, but D is the wife of E. Here E and B are brother and C and D are sisters. Therefore, D is the daughter-in-law of A. And fourth one. Fourth one. A is the son of C. C and Q are sisters. Z is the mother of Q and P is the son of Z. Which of the following statements is true? A. P and A are cousins. B. P is the maternal uncle of A. C. Q is the maternal grandfather of A. D. C and P are sisters. So C and Q are sisters and A is the son of C. C is the mother of A. Ma'am, scroll, ma'am. Hey, ma'am. Little up, ma'am. Answer.
Okay, finished. Anush.
No, ma'am. Last one answer, ma'am.
Ah.
C and Q are sisters. A is the son of C. C is the mother of A or Z is the mother of Q. Z is the maternal grandmother of A. So P is the son of Z. Therefore, P is the maternal uncle of A. Yes, ma'am, finished. Thank you.
Okay, I am not following your problems because I am not concentrate here. I'll just ask somebody to explain the same problem once again. Yes, Abhinandan. Abhinandan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to share the same screen. The problems which are explained by Anush. You just explain this problem once again. You just go through it. Just read out the problem.
In this question, A is the son of C and C and Q are sisters. Z is the mother of Q and P is the son of Z. Which of the following statement is true? Options are P and A are cousins. P is the maternal uncle of A. Q is the maternal grandfather of A. And C and P are sisters. Uh, from, from the question, we could say that option B is the correct because I'm scrolling. Man. Hello.
Abhinandan.
Yeah.
Yeah, you finished.
Hello.
Explain ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ?
Ma'am, screen ಹೋಯ್ತು.
Yes. See, you people are just reading out the sentences which are written on the screen. ಏನ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ಯೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಓದ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಅನುಷ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. ಬಟ್ ದ್ರಾವ್ಯ ಆ ತರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕಾವ್ಯ GB ಅವ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಏನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರತ್ತೆ ನಂಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ಗೂ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಓಕೆ ಅಭಿನಂದನ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ.
C and Q are sisters. A is the son of scroll ಮಾಡಿ ma'am. A is the son of C and C is the mother of A. Ma'am ತುಂಬಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. thank you. C is the mother of A and or Z is the mother of Q. Z is the maternal grandmother of A. P is the son of Z. So we can say that P is the maternal uncle of A.
Okay. Yes. Now, yes, Shifa. Shifa.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So, yes, who is that?
Shifa, ma'am.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಯಾರೋ ಇಂಟರಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಯಾರೋ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಶೇರ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ನೌ. ಒನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. Shifa?
Ma'am, shall I explain from the beginning, ma'am?
Yeah. Okay.
Good afternoon to all. I'm Shifa from 5th ISC. So I'm going to explain the problems on data sufficiency. So directions to solve. In each of the question below consist of a question of two statements numbered first and second. Given below it, you have to decide whether the data provided in the statements are sufficient to answer the question. Read both the statements and give the answer. So in each question, they will give two statements, first statement and second statement. So you have to decide which statement is sufficient. So A, if the data in statement first alone are sufficient to answer the question, while the data in statement second alone are not sufficient to answer the question. B, if the data in statement second alone are sufficient to answer the question, while the data in the statement first alone are not sufficient to answer the question. C, if the data either in statement first or in statement second alone are sufficient to answer the question. If the data, D, if the data given in both statements, first and second together, are not sufficient to answer the question. E, if the data in both statement first and second together are necessary to answer the question. So these are the options A, B, C, D, E. These options will be given in every problem. So you have to select option. So first question. Rahul was born in which year? Statement first. Rahul at present is 25 years younger to his mother. Second statement. Rahul's brother, who was born in 1964, is 35 years younger to his mother. So here options are given. 1. Alone, first alone is sufficient, while second alone is not sufficient. Second, alone is sufficient, while first alone is not sufficient. C, either first or second is sufficient. D, neither first or second is sufficient. E, Both first and second are sufficient. Here, the answer is option E, because from both first and second, we find that Rahul's brother they have mentioned here Rahul's brother age, which is 35, and Rahul's age is 25. So here we have to subtract 35 minus 25, that is 10 years older. So Rahul is uh, 10 years older than his brother, who was born in 1964. So Rahul was born in 1954. Ma'am, next one. How many children does M have? Statements. First statement. H is the only daughter of X, who is wife of M. Second, K and J are brothers of M. Option A. First alone statement is sufficient, while second alone is not sufficient. B. Second alone is sufficient, while first alone is not sufficient. C. Either first or second is sufficient. D. Neither first or second is sufficient. E. Both first and second are sufficient. Here, the option is D. Next page. Here the option is D, because from first we conclude that H is the only daughter of M. But this does not include that M has no son. And in the statement second, the information given is immaterial. So option D is the answer. Third question. The last Sunday of March 2006 fell on which date? Next page. Statements. The first Sunday of that month fell on 5th. Second, the last day of that month was Friday. Options are given. First alone is sufficient, while second alone is not sufficient. B. Second alone is sufficient, while first alone is not sufficient. C. Either first or second is sufficient. D. Neither first nor second is sufficient. Next page one. Okay. D. Neither first nor second is sufficient. E. Both first and second are sufficient. Here, the option is C, because from first we conclude that 5th, 12th, 19th, and 26th of March 2006 were Sundays. So the last Sunday fell on 26th. From second statement, we conclude that 31st March 2006 was Friday. Thus, 26th March 2006 was the last Sunday of the month. Next question. On which date of the month was Anjali born in February 2004? Statements. First, Anjali was born on an even date of the month. Second,
Oh my god.
Second, Anjali's birth date was a prime number. Options. First alone is sufficient, while second alone is not sufficient. B. Second alone is sufficient, while first alone is not sufficient. C. Either first or second is sufficient. D. Neither first or second is sufficient. E. Both first and second are sufficient. Here, ma'am, next page. Here, the answer is option E, because from first and second statement, we conclude that Anjali was born in February 2004 on a date which is a prime number. So she was born on a date which was an even prime number. Since in the 2000 February 2004, the two number is a prime number. So she was born on 2nd February 2004. Thank you.
Hello. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ. Hello.
Ma'am.
Hello. Okay, thank you, Shifa, Dravya, Chethan, and Anush, Akash. So we will wind up the activity now. I think hope you people have followed all the problems. Next time, actually, I told no. So whenever we conduct the placement activity, please you share the link and the topic. What are the things we are discussing in the placement activity? All these things to HOD sir. Okay.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಓಕೆ
ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋಕೆ ಮರ್ತು ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಹಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್
Okay. Okay, I'll stop recording now. You can leave the meeting now. Thank you all.